At number 1, we have the HEXEUM Night Vision Goggles. Engineered for adventure, with stunning 4K clarity and a large 3-inch HD screen to capture every detail. Experience clear visibility even in complete darkness with 7 levels of infrared adjustment. Get up close and personal with 5x digital zoom, bringing distant subjects into sharp focus. From sunrise to midnight, switch effortlessly between day and night modes for versatile use. With a massive 5000 mAh battery and a 32JD card included, you're ready for all-night recording sessions. Perfect for hunting, wildlife observation, camping, security, and search operations. A tool for every mission. The HEXEUM Night Vision Goggles. See what others can't. Get yours now.
At number 2, we have the TP-Link 5G Mobile Hotspot M8550. This powerhouse delivers ultra-fast tri-band AX 3S600 Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, supporting up to 32 devices simultaneously. Whether you're a traveler in a remote tent or a road warrior needing a reliable backup, its nano SIM slot and dual working modes have you covered. With long battery life and a sleek, portable design, it's perfect for international travel or areas with spotty broadband. Stay connected with strong security and an easy setup touchscreen interface. The M8550 modern connectivity for your mobile lifestyle.
Tired of small screens? Meet the game-changing Magcubic mini projector with Wi-Fi 6. Weighing just 0.88 pounds, this true mini marvel is light as air, making it the perfect travel companion. Experience lightning-fast, buffer-free 4K streaming. Wi-Fi 6 ensures your content loads instantly, every time. Setup is a breeze. With auto keystone correction and 360-degree rotation, you get a perfect picture in seconds.
At number 4, we have the Elikliv LCD digital coin microscope, featuring a sharp 4.3-inch LCD screen and incredible 1000x magnification to see every tiny detail. Easily capture high-quality photos and videos of your discoveries, perfect for documentation and sharing. And for an even bigger view, connect it to your PC for easy analysis and recording. It's the perfect tool for coin collectors, stamp enthusiasts, and anyone who loves to explore the micro world. It's also an amazing educational tool that helps kids discover the wonders of science. With its portable stand and user-friendly controls, the Elikliv microscope brings the microscopic world to your fingertips.
At number 5, we have the WOLFBOX G930 rear view mirror camera. Tired of blurry footage? Its 4K clarity and advanced WDR technology capture every detail, no matter the lighting. And sharing those epic road videos is instant, thanks to its super fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Plus, built-in GPS tracks your every move, perfect for mapping your route or reviewing trips. But the protection doesn't stop when you park. The 24-hour monitoring mode guards your vehicle around the clock. All this power is packed into a stunning 10-inch smart display, and it's incredibly easy to install. Upgrade your drive with the all-in-one WOLFBOX G930. Safety, security, and smart tech, all in one mirror.
At number 6, we have the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful cordless mini vacuum is perfect for daily desk maintenance. Its strong suction motor quickly removes dust, crumbs, hair, and debris. And the 360-degree rotatable nozzle gets into every hard-to-reach corner. Keep your keyboard and workstation spotless. It's also perfect for your car. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use anywhere. With multiple fun colors to choose from, there's one for every personality. The ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum is the indispensable tool for keeping workspaces clean and hygienic, without the hassle of full-size vacuums.
At number 7, we have the Lamicall cell phone stand for desk. It provides sturdy, adjustable support with height extension up to 3.2 inches and multi-angle tilting, reducing neck and back strain. It's perfect for hands-free use and even supports charging while you watch. Foldable and portable, it's an essential accessory for anywhere you go. With a stable metal base and anti-slip silicone pads, your device stays secure and scratch-free, even with thick cases. Upgrade your desk setup with the Lamicall cell phone stand. Simple, stylish, and essential.
At number 8, we have the NIIMBOT B1 label maker machine. This smart portable printer connects via Bluetooth to the NIIMBOT app, letting you design custom labels, barcodes, QR codes, and even images. Perfect for home storage, say goodbye to messy fridges, and hello to instant organization. And the best part? No ink or toner is required. Its high-speed printing is a game changer for small business packaging, creating professional labels in seconds. With its lightweight, handheld design, you can label anything, anywhere. The NIIMBOT B1 comes with starter rolls and is ready to simplify your life.
At number 9, we have the Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Cube. This cube revolutionizes focus. Just flip it to start a 25-minute work session, then flip again for a 5-minute break. It's that simple. Perfect for the Pomodoro technique, fitness, cooking, and more. It auto-cycles so you can stay in the zone. Need a custom time? Easily set any interval from 1 second to 99 minutes. Had to step away? Flip to the blank side to pause and flip back to resume instantly. Choose silent, vibrate, or sound alerts to stay notified your way without disturbing others. With a strong magnetic back, it sticks to any steel surface. Keep it visible, keep yourself on track. And with a 7-day battery life, you can ditch the phone apps and finally master your time. This is the Ticktime Cube.
At number 10, we have the XP Pen Deco 01V3 drawing tablet, the ultimate tool to unlock your creative potential. With a massive 10 by 6.25-inch active area, that's 20% larger than entry-level models, you'll have all the space you need to create. Experience total precision with 16,284 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60-degree tilt support, and a battery-free stylus for uninterrupted creativity.
At number 11, we have the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro. This isn't just a lamp. It's a smart, cordless lighting powerhouse with millions of colors and 100+ scene modes, all customizable from your phone. And it rocks with premium sound by JBL. With 16 music sync modes, it turns any get-together into an immersive light show. It's also your perfect smart home companion, working seamlessly with Matter, Alexa, and Google Home. And with a rechargeable battery, the party doesn't have to stop. Take the vibe anywhere. Want even more power? Pair 2 for incredible stereo sound and synchronized lighting. The Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro. Upgrade your space with light and sound. Reimagine. At number 12, we have the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro. Just kidding. Let's talk about the upgrade you actually need. Meet the Samsung T7 SSD with speeds up to 1004 Mbps. You can transfer an entire 4K movie in just seconds. It's so small and lightweight. You can take your entire digital world with you, literally anywhere. Built with a durable aluminum body and advanced password protection, your data has never been safer. From your laptop to your phone, the T7 works with everything. It's the universal storage solution. Stop waiting, start creating. The Samsung T7 SSD. Upgrade your speed,